Hey everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be talking about how to charge your BYD EV car in a parking lot. Electric cars are becoming more and more popular as they are environmentally friendly and cost-effective in the long run. And with the convenience of charging stations in parking lots, it's easier than ever to keep your electric vehicle charged and ready to go. So let's dive into the process of charging your BYD EV car in a parking lot. Step 1. Find a charging station. The first step is to locate a charging station in the parking lot. Most parking lots have designated EV charging spots, and they are usually marked with a sign or a special symbol. If you're unsure, check with the parking attendant or look for an EV charging map in the lot. Step 2. Prepare your car. Once you have found the charging station, park your BYD EV car in the designated spot. Make sure to turn off the car, remove any keys, and close all windows and doors. Step 3. Connect the charger next. Take the charger cable and connect it to your car's charging port. The BYD EV car has a charging port located on the front left side of the car. So make sure to locate it before you arrive at the charging station. Step 4. Start the charging process. Once the charger cable is connected to your car's charging port, it's time to start the charging process. Most charging stations have a touch screen or button to activate the charger. Follow the instructions on the screen to start the charging process. You may need to swipe a credit card or enter payment information to begin charging. Step 5. Wait for your car to charge. Now that the charging process has started, it's time to wait for your BYD EV car to charge. The time it takes to charge your car will depend on the level of charge you need and the charging station's power output. Typically, it can take anywhere from 30 minutes to a few hours to fully charge your car. Step 6. Disconnect and finish up. Once your BYD EV car has reached the desired level of charge, it's time to disconnect the charger cable from your car's charging port. Most charging stations will automatically stop charging when your car is fully charged. But you can also stop the charging process manually. Be sure to pack up the charger cable neatly and safely, and don't forget to collect any payment receipts. Conclusion. Charging your BYD EV car in a parking lot is an easy and convenient process. Just remember to locate a charging station, prepare your car, connect the charger, start the charging process, wait for your car to charge, and disconnect the charger cable when you're finished. With these steps in mind, you'll be able to keep your BYD EV car charged and ready to go wherever your travels take you. Like and subscribe, comment. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.